Good morning, children. So today I am going to start English grammar for you. So that is the sixth lesson. What I am doing is today doing words. So what are doing words? First you should know. So any activity which you are doing, any activity which are currently you are doing that are known as doing words, and it is also known as verb. So what is C? Words that shows you any action are called doing words. They are also called as verbs. They are also called as verb. The doing words are also called as what? Verbs. I told you any activity that you are doing, any activity. See, now I am writing on the board. So that is also what? Verb. That is also doing. Okay, so I am reading now. So what I am reading for you. So that is also the verb. That is also the doing word. So it is also known as verb. For example, I told you running. Okay, running, eating. Okay, eating, writing. Okay, writing. So you can observe which is familiar for you. Same thing. So you can see ing form. You can see the ing form. More the verbs will be it will be in ing form. So that time you will easily understand it is a verb. Any action you are doing. So I told you just now, I am reading for you. I am doing the lesson for you. Reading. I am reading for you. So that is what a verb. So if I am eating, if you are eating, if you are doing your homework, if you are writing anything, that is also what? That is also the action you are doing on that time. So it is a verb. For example, you are playing, you are skipping. So I told you the verb maybe many times it will be in ing form. Like I told you, running, eating, writing, dancing. Okay, all these are what? Verb. So you have example here: run, write, cook, eat, cry, sleep, read, swim, laugh. So you can tell all these are verbs. These are what? Doing verbs. Doing verbs are also known as verb. Doing words are also known as what? Verbs. What are doing words? If I ask you, you can tell any action. The word, see, the words that shows action. So this run. So you are doing some action there. So you are running. It is showing some action. So if you are writing on the book, so your hands are moving there. So if you are dancing, see, you can see the legs are moving, the hands are moving. You are showing some action. Even if you are cooking, so you can see your mother. She is preparing you lunch. She is preparing you what? Breakfast and all. See, you can see her body is moving. Her hands are moving, she is moving and she is cooking. Any action you are doing is known as doing what? Doing words. Doing words are also known as verb. Understood, children? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So next you have, see, some pictures are there. So we'll fill this for you. So look at the picture and write a doing word below each picture. So first you can see the children. A group of children are there. They are playing there? They are playing. So what action they are doing? All the children together. You can see a ball in the center. So they are playing. So you have to write what? Action word. You have to write a action word. So in one word if you write, so it is playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. Second one. You can see a girl. Her tears, you can see tears in her eyes. What does that mean? She is crying. Even it is a action, crying. Even this is a action. It is also a verb. Next, you can see a girl who is dancing. Third one is dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. Next, fourth one. So you can see the boy. What is he doing in the book? He is writing. The boy is writing. So what the boy is doing? Writing. Okay. So in next exercises I will be doing one or two for you. So other you have to do yourself. Very easy, children. So first one is, so you have encircle the doing words, means action words. Doing words are action words. First one, a cow eats grass. So what is the cow there? So the cow is a noun. What is the action it is doing? What is the action it is doing? It is eating. It eats. Eats. You have to circle. Eats. You have to circle. The second one, first one in the second main is encircle the doing words in the following sentence. A cow eats grass. First one is eats. First one is eats. Okay. Second one you have to circle. You have to circle this. We smell with our nose. So what we are doing? We are smelling. Smelling. See, you can smell. This is nose. Okay, smelling. So smell. Second one is, which is the action here used? Smell. Okay. The baby cries. Third one. What is the action done by baby? It is crying. So it is cries. Okay. Next, we taste with our tongue. So what is we are doing? What is the activity? What is the action going on? Tasting. Taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Okay. Taste with our tongue. A lion roars. So what the lion is doing? It is roaring loudly. Roar. So what do you mean by roaring, children? It is shouting. Roaring means shouting. The sound it shows. Roar. So roars. Okay. Fifth one, roars. Birds build nest. Birds are noun. Build. Build is a verb. B-U-I-L-D. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Build is a action word, means it is a verb. So what did I do for you today? I did for you the doing words. What are doing words? Doing words are the action words. They are also known as verb. Any action you are doing, it are known as action words, or verb. So most in the sentence you can see the ing forms also. So you can see that if any ing forms come for you, directly you can tell that it is a verb for you. So you can see these words. So action words in a sentence that are known as what? Verb. Okay, children. So I have done exercises also. Please write this in your textbook. Fill this in your textbook also. So in the next class, I will be doing for you the next lesson for you. So I will send you the answer, that is to tell, fill the textbook also. I will be sending you through WhatsApp group. If you have understood, please what you have to do, you have to read this lesson, and if you have not understood the lesson, please see the video again and again. I hope so you will understand again. So if you have any doubts, you can ask us. Thank you, children.